Open a lesson directly from the dashboard or from your course in My Enrollments. Inside, you will see the lesson materials, interactive blocks, and the action bar at the bottom. The teacher can include text, exercises, audio, video, flashcards, matching tasks, or other activities. The entire lesson workspace is editable if the teacher allows it. This means you can leave comments, edit text, and use the lesson material as your own interactive workbook. Many exercise types allow you to make multiple attempts or reset your answers to try again. Your teacher and group members can see your cursor in real time and collaborate on the material together. Students have access to several built-in tools to help them work with lesson materials. First, a word and sentence translator. Second, text-to-speech audio for listening to text in the target language. Third, a chat to communicate with other students and the teacher. Fourth, a laser pointer for highlighting details on images. And fifth, the Ask AI Assistant. If the lesson includes audio or video, you can play them right on the page. There is no need to switch between different apps. Materials, practice, and answers all stay in one place. Importantly, your progress is saved automatically. If you need to take a break, you can safely return to the lesson later, and your entered answers will remain saved in your copy of the lesson. This is especially useful for longer sessions, self-study, and review. When you finish the lesson, simply click Save and Finish. The lesson status will update, letting the teacher or system know that your work is complete.